Welcome to room 1201, a king room at the United Nations Hampton Inn in New York City. You can see the large bed. It's really a room with a bed. It's very small, but normal for New York City standards. But it does have everything you need. Although everything's a little bit smaller, you won't find it lacking anything. Nice television with a variety of channels. Unlike some hotels where you're lacking, this one does have a long list of channels to see. The internet connection here is great. The wireless, we had no issues with it, even for FaceTime or Skype. But if you do have or need a wire, they have that, so you can hardwire it as well. A very, very small wardrobe / closet, but still works. This is the back side of the hotel, so you can see what the view will be from here. So this is the 12th floor, so you have a view of a lot of buildings, which you would expect in New York. But all in all, a nice view. The windows open about maybe an inch or so to get a little bit of airflow if you need it. Normal Hilton clock and alarm. They do accommodate for a lot of plugs and charging here, which is great. You don't have to go hunt for plugs. So USB and electric sources. Comfy bed, good linens. The bathroom, sink and coffee maker, tea maker. All your coffee and tea are updated and you're given new every day. A full-size shower with a shower head with adjustments on the top. So a nice shower, good flow, and also a lot of hot water, which is great on cold days. So we never seem to get it to run out, so that's great. The door here, for just for space issues, is just a sliding door, which is great in saving space in this relatively small but nice room. This is the Hampton Inn, United Nations in New York City.